Namo Nama, friends, welcome to NJCF. Chapter number 1 of subject Yoga. Level A. The name of the chapter is Breathing Practices, and today's topic is Importance of Breathing Practice. So friends, in this video, we will understand the importance of breathing exercises. But before we start, can you tell me that for how many days we can survive without food and without consuming water? And for how many days we can survive without breathing? I think we can survive for months without consuming food. And we will be able to survive for few days without water, right? But without breathing, we will be able to survive only for few minutes, right? Because breathing is vital for our survival. Because it is the only way we can supply oxygen to our body and to our organs. So, in that manner, you can understand that how much important the breathing is. We can't live without breathing, right? Now friends, how many actions do we perform while breathing? You know, breathing includes two actions, inhaling and exhaling. The first action is inhalation. We can say taking air in, right? And second action is exhalation or exhaling or releasing out the inhaled air, right? So in this way, breathing includes two actions, right? Inhaling air or oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. Okay? Now friends, we all know that breathing is very much important for us, right? But can you tell me how should we breathe so that we can get maximum benefits? And to understand that, there are some general guidelines for breathing practice. If we want to take maximum advantage of breathing, there are some points which we should keep in mind while breathing. And what are these points? Let's discuss the first point, and that is we should breathe through our nose and our breath must be deep. After inhalation, we should hold the breath for few moments so that our lungs can get sufficient time to exchange the gases. And after that, release the breath out. And our breath out should be as deep as possible. And every time, whenever you breathe in and out, the duration of each breath should be same. So, our breath must be in a uniform and continuous manner. Right? Now friends, let's understand what is the second points we should keep in mind while breathing. The breathing should be in rhythm and synchronized with the body movements. Okay? Let's understand this with this picture. When we perform any exercise, like for example, if we are performing hands in and out breathing exercise, so when we are performing this exercise, how our breath should be? When we spread arms, we should inhale, right? And while bringing arms in front of chest again, we should exhale, right? So, in this manner, we will repeat our breath, which should be in rhythm and synchronized with movements. Okay? And what will be the benefit of it? We will be able to inhale more oxygen and more and more carbon dioxide can be brought out from our body, right? So we should keep in mind this point also while breathing. Now, what is the next point of breathing? You know, when we are breathing, we should focus and notice the in movement of air filling when we breathe in. For example, in this picture you can see, look, when we are breathing oxygen, we must feel that yes, our lungs are filling with air, and after that our abdomen is expanding, right? So we must feel the air in our body, okay? And when we exhale, we must feel that our abdomen and chest are contracting. Why? Because there is no air now, right? So with each and every breath, we should feel that breath. We must be mindful and conscious about our breath. And in this way, we will get maximum to maximum advantage of breathing, right? So in this way, we understood that if we want to take advantage of breathing, we must keep all these 3 points in our mind while breathing. The first one is that breath should be uniform and continuous, right? The second point, that when we are doing body movements, our breath must be in rhythm and synchronized with those movements. And third point, that we should always feel the breath. We should always be mindful and conscious about our breath. So friends, in this video, we understood the importance of breathing. We also understood that breathing includes 2 actions, inhaling and exhaling. And finally, we understood that what are those points we should keep in mind while breathing so that we can get maximum to maximum advantages of breathing. Now friends, in our next video, we will talk about some guidelines of performing breathing exercises, right? Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Dhanyavadaha.